God cheering me on. Amen.
Amen.
Such a great cloud of witnesses who've already made it home. Grandstands of heaven filled with people we have known. They are cheering us onward to the crown that now awaits. And when we grow weak and falter, that's when they begin to wait. They wave to the singers who've sung all they can. They wave to the preachers, continue to stand. To the Christians who are tempted to give up this fight over yonder, you can see them waving on the other side. There's a mother and a father saying, son, don't give up now. And a dear friend who left me saying, brother, stand your ground. I can see that saint of God, one who led me